PRAS, l'un des Fugees, vient d'être rejeté par le président élu, Michel Martelly.
Has President-elect Michel Martelly had enough with PRAS, the cousin of Haitian international superstar Wyclef Jean? It has been reported that PRAS made several statements during the presidential campaign that made then-candidate Michel Martelly really upset. Now President-elect Michel Martelly had shut the door on his inseparable friend and protege PRAS. Martelly had to balance out gratitude to a friend versus his own portrait as a statesman.
On parle, on peut, monsieur. Si le 20 mars qu'a venu là, élection faite, Michel Martelly n'est pas président. Ça va être beau le pays.
AOL online news journalist Emily Trotman has reported that friends and supporters of Martelly call PRAS immature and moron because PRAS wrote on Twitter the night before of the presidential elections result that machete plus gasoline plus matches equals the will of people. That Twitter statement was the last blow that prompted President-elect Michel Martelly to finally shut the door on PRAS's face. PRAS was not invited to Martelly's victory party. As the song says, "You are not welcome anymore." And PRAS was probably asked to exit to the left. PRAS wholeheartedly endorsed then-candidate Michel Martelly. But PRAS has become also too controversial for Martelly. PRAS badmouthed a former Haitian ambassador to the United States, Raymond Joseph, while praising former President Jean-Bertrand Aristide.
Respect Raymond Joseph. I know he was the ambassador to Haiti. Yeah. But I don't know if the people will be excited about him. And I don't know if the people will really care about Raymond Joseph. Like they did with Aristide. When Aristide came, I knew nothing about Aristide when he first came. I wasn't even really into politics, my family were. But I found myself liking the guy just because the whole nation liked him. I didn't.
Them are saying, La Caille, c'est La Caille, home sweet home. Bon retour, welcome back, Aristide. Good welcome. Aristide, ou important pour nous. You are important for us. We see all sorts of different signs expressing love. Aristide, we love you. Aristide, we've been waiting for you. Finally, je viens. The days have been going by. It's so many signs of love.
There is a crush of people who have accompanied the Aristides from the airport in Port-au-Prince to their home in Tabar. Tens of thousands of people. T-shirts that say Aristide. Signs that say Bon Retour, Good Return. Cité Soleil, we support you. Petronville, we support you. Now this is the historic home of the Aristides, which they were forced out of in the coup on February 29th, 2004. The crush of people when we got to Tabar was astounding. I mean, from the airport, tens of thousands of people were running and jumping, holding placards and signs. We got into the Aristides' house through a side window, but though friends are inside, there's so many people who have come out to greet the Aristides. It has been going on for hours. Just after we got in, at the front door, there was a huge clamor. And it was the Aristides coming in, but they could barely get in. They were being pulled through. First the children, then Mildred Aristide, then President Aristide himself. The place where the Aristides lived.
Well, I mean, I'm endorsing him because I feel he's one of the only figures out in Haiti that can actually inspire the whole country to unite, not only in Haiti.
PRAS feels hurt and he believes that he has been used by Martelli, who chooses to dump him after he becomes president. Then PRAS wrote on Twitter, saying I am fine can mean two things. It can mean you really are fine. Or, it can mean you're really drastically hurting inside, without showing it. PRAS also went on the attack on President-elect Michel Martelly, on Twitter. He wrote, promises are worse than lies. Because you don't make them believe, you also make them hope. Does PRAS deserve to be dumped by President-elect Michel Martelly? Leave your comment.
Pensez-vous que PRAS mérite-t-il d'être rejeté par le président élu Michel Martelly? Laissez votre commentaire.
Oh, Haïtiens rassemblés, nous tous concernés. Tout ça pas bon, tout ça pas bien passé. C'est nous tous qu'à prier.